We have all been told that animal flesh is an essential part of a healthy diet, but meat consumption has been associated with almost all the major diseases. Meat is high in fat, saturated fat and cholesterol, which will increase the risk of heart disease and can cause other serious health problems like diabetes. It is high in animal protein, which is far too acidic for the human body and has been linked to kidney disease, cancer and osteoporosis. Most meat also contains antibiotics and growth hormones like estrogen and testosterone, which can promote cancer growth. And fish is also contaminated with mercury, which is toxic and can cause brain damage and may also contribute to atrial fibrillation and fatal heart attack risk.
A lower risk of chronic disease, fewer allergies, fewer surgeries. We're talking fewer varicose veins and hemorrhoids, even fewer hysterectomies. And we're not talking just the big killers, right? Not just less heart disease, cancer. This is the longest study on vegetarians in human history. Not just less heart disease and stroke and high blood pressure and diabetes, but less diverticulosis, less, if you can read this, less diseases overall. Right? That's the side effects of a plant-based diet, less disease overall.
Fortunately, there is no need to consume meat or other animal products, and a whole foods plant-based diet can provide all the essential nutrients for long-term health. It is not natural for humans to drink cow's milk. Cow's milk is a high-fat fluid designed to turn a 65-pound baby calf into a 400-pound cow. Cow's milk contains animal protein, which has been proven by people like Dr. T. Colin Campbell to promote cancer growth. Animal protein is far too acidic for the human body. In order to neutralize this acidity, the body leaches calcium and phosphorus from the bones. People have been misled to believe that milk gives us strong bones, yet the countries with the highest dairy consumptions all have the highest rates of osteoporosis. Dairy products like cheese and butter are high in fat, saturated fat and cholesterol, and are very low in vital vitamins and minerals. Diets high in fat, especially saturated fat, can increase the risk of heart disease and can cause other serious health problems like diabetes. Because cows suffer from a number of infections like mastitis, dairy contains considerable quantities of pus. A glass of milk will contain around 90 to 135 million somatic pus cells. Dairy also contains bovine growth hormones, which have been linked to obesity and cancer. It also contains antibiotics and contaminants like blood and feces. Cow's milk also contains casomorphins, a form of morphine which is highly addictive. Fortunately, there are many non-dairy alternatives, and a whole foods plant-based diet can provide all the essential nutrients for long-term health. The egg industry has misled us to believe that eggs are nutritious health foods that are essential for the human body, although it is actually illegal to advertise eggs as healthy or safe. Eggs are very high in fat, saturated fat and cholesterol, which will increase the risk of heart disease and can cause other serious health problems like diabetes. Eggs actually have over 3 times more cholesterol than a steak. Because of their naturally occurring salmonella, eggs are unsafe for human consumption, and it's estimated that more than 140,000 people a year are affected by salmonella poisoning. Eggs have been marketed as a healthy source of protein, but animal protein is far too acidic for the human body and has been associated with cancer, diabetes and heart disease. They have also been advertised as a perfect source of iron, but a 50-gram egg contains only 0.6 milligrams of iron, which is considerably low compared to healthier plant-based alternatives like beans, seeds, nuts and greens.
You cannot say eggs are safe to eat, can't say they're safe, can't even mention safety, can't say they're healthful. All references to healthfulness must be deleted as well.
Fortunately, there are many egg-free alternatives, and a whole foods plant-based diet can provide all the essential nutrients for long-term health.